Where's my hovercraft? Here we go. Have you ever wondered how Santa can get his sleigh across everything, across rocks and deserts, across mountains, across the roads and highways? I think he uses air pressure. This is my friend Luke here, and let's a round of applause for Luke. Very brave, very brave. Luke, come on over here. Luke, have a seat on this. I'll tell you what, Luke, get up for a second. Let me try. Go ahead and let's see if we can go ahead and get behind me and push me. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Luke, stop. On 3, push. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! All right, stop. Maybe we use some air pressure, or maybe lighter mass. Luke, you try it. So you sit down, I'll try to push you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Too much friction. But if I can use some air pressure, decrease the friction, let's see what happens. A little electricity, please. Here we go. All right. Whoa! There's some handles here. You doing okay? Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Ready? Where's my man over there? Let's give him a round of applause, Santa Claus. Good job, Luke. Thank you.